in it. It's by this band called Biffy Clyro. There's this huge band. They're over in the States and Europe. Yeah, you know of them. They're a really, really cool band. I suggest you guys all check them out. The song's called Sounds Like Balloons. For your entertainment, so let us be like our show.